Muti. Manugunda Gerla Chuluru, Düwürügü Garifuna. Welcome and thank you for stopping by as we learn Garifuna language. Today's Garifuna word of the day comes to us from Miss Rosana Ballestero, and she commented on my YouTube video asking how do you say pride in Garifuna. And pride in Garifuna is Düwürügü. Düwürügü. So a huge thank you to Miss Rosana Ballestero for your question. And I'd like to challenge everyone out there watching to send me a word or a phrase in Garifuna that you'd like to know. So post a comment under any one of the videos on YouTube and I'll send a reply to it. I appreciate you spending your most valuable resource with me. And until the next episode, Sareme.